Hi, ma'am. Very
Hi.
nice to meet you.
Hi.
My name is Jaytesh. Could you please introduce yourself to the viewers?
So I'm Shekharan Bhandari and I'm representing GIF today. We are an angel fund based out of Bombay. We support startups, we support and incubate startups. We have a network of about 750 members, continuously investing in the startups that are coming onto our platform.
Okay. So, when it comes to startups, a lot of people have a lot of confusion on these words now. So, there is incubate, there is seed funding, there is grant, there is mentoring. If you had to put it in simple terms, saying A, B, C, D, E, how would you categorize this?
So first we'll start with incubation. That is when the startup comes under your wing. You're going to give them basic facilities, which would otherwise cost them, but you're doing it for free, and give them a base to start off with. And then there is mentoring, where once their idea solidifies, you make sure that they reach the right people in your network to get to so that they can handhold them and probably show them the right ways to go through.
Okay,
Then,
I'm so sorry, ma'am, if I can interrupt you. Just to make it a little more relatable, could you explain with an example, probably a startup which you had seen going through these various stages?
Sure. So we had this company called Elephant. They were incubated by GIF, and they came to us, and then we gave them an office space to work with, and we gave them a few points from AWS and everything, and they started working. We helped them have the idea set up there, and then we introduced them to people who were into e-commerce. What it does is it's into toy distribution for kids, rental toys, subscription model sort of a
For
thing.
toys?
Yes, for toys.
Wow, that's a cool idea.
Yeah, so
Nice.
then we introduced them to people in the network in the industry, and that's how he got to know how an e-commerce business works and how this entire situation works. And then we once the company was a little mature enough to raise funds, we helped them raising seed fund. And through our platform, as well as he went out through his network and got funding from everywhere else.
Oh, okay,
So that's how
okay.
the process works.
So you held their hand from the incubation
Yes,
stage all the way
correct.
till the seed stage.
Correct. Correct. That's how our network works. So we have a great network of like-minded business people, our entire Jain community that is there. And for us to access these contacts through our community is very easy. Because every business person has some of the contact some way or the other. So for us to access that becomes very easy through our network that we've created.
Okay, awesome. And quickly, from your lens, starting from 2025, what are two key aspects or rather sectors that you would want someone to come to you for investments from?
I feel India is great right now when it comes to the energy bit that is happening. My portfolio is mostly of energy and EV. So these are the two sectors that I am very much interested in, because you know how it's too new, but there's a lot of potential for its growth in the country. So these are the two fields that I would like to be a part of.
Okay, that's very nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think we learned a lot from this as well. I really appreciate it.